When it comes to enhancing the security, aesthetic appeal, and functionality of your home or business, selecting the right door installation service is key. Whether you're upgrading to a new front door, installing a sliding patio door, or replacing worn-out interior doors, finding a reliable professional is essential. In Bartow, where home and business owners value quality and craftsmanship, choosing the best door installation service can make all the difference. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to make that choice with confidence. Assess your needs. The first step in choosing the best door installation service is understanding your needs. Do you need a simple door replacement, or are you installing a custom door for a specific purpose, such as soundproofing or insulation? Are you installing doors in an entryway, garage, or patio? Knowing the specifics of your project will help you narrow down your search to contractors who specialize in those types of installations. Some companies may offer services for residential projects, while others might be more experienced with commercial spaces. Check experience and reputation. Experience is one of the most important factors to consider when hiring a door installation service. Look for a contractor that has been in the business for several years, ideally with a track record of successfully completing projects similar to yours. Established companies often have a deeper understanding of the nuances of various door types, installation techniques, and problem solving when complications arise. You should also check for online reviews or ask for recommendations from family, friends, or neighbors. Word of mouth is often one of the most reliable ways to gauge the quality of a contractor's work. A company with consistently positive reviews is likely to provide excellent service and craftsmanship. Don't be afraid to ask for references or to see a portfolio of previous work. Verify licenses and insurance before you hire a door installation service. Make sure they are fully licensed and insured. A reputable company will have the necessary licenses required by local authorities in Bartow to perform door installations. Additionally, ask if they carry general liability insurance and workers' compensation insurance. This protects you in case of any accidents or damage that may occur during the installation process. A licensed and insured service gives you peace of mind, knowing that you won't be held liable for any issues that may arise during the project. Get multiple quotes. It's always a good idea to obtain several quotes from different door installation services in Bartow. This will give you a sense of the going rates in the area and help you gauge the quality of service you can expect. However, be cautious of quotes that seem too good to be true. Sometimes, very low prices could indicate that the service is cutting corners or using low-quality materials. When requesting quotes, make sure they include all details, such as labor, materials, permits, and any additional fees that may apply. A reputable company will provide a transparent, detailed estimate with no hidden costs. Take time to compare the quotes and services offered to ensure you're getting the best value for your money. Ask about the warranty. The warranty can be a significant indicator of the quality of work that a door installation company offers. A reputable contractor will stand behind their work and offer a warranty for both the door itself and the installation. The warranty should cover defects in materials, installation issues, and other potential problems. Ask for specifics on what the warranty covers and how long it lasts. A company that offers a comprehensive warranty shows that they are confident in their craftsmanship and in the quality of the products they use. Evaluate customer service. Customer service is another vital factor to consider. The best door installation services are those that communicate clearly, answer your questions promptly, and make you feel comfortable throughout the entire process. From the initial consultation to post-installation support, a customer-focused company will provide a seamless experience. Evaluate their responsiveness by how quickly they return calls, emails, and messages. Additionally, assess their professionalism and attentiveness during the consultation. Are they patient in explaining the process? Do they offer helpful advice on door selection and care? These are signs of a company that is committed to delivering excellent service. Check for additional services. In some cases, you may need more than just door installation. Look for a service that offers a full range of related services, such as door repair, custom door design, or even routine maintenance. A company that can handle all your door-related needs ensures that you won't have to rely on different contractors for each job, saving you time and effort. Final thoughts. Choosing the best door installation service in Bartow comes down to finding a reliable, experienced, and customer-focused company that can meet your specific needs. Take your time to research potential contractors, compare quotes, and ensure that they have the necessary qualifications to do the job right. With the right service, you'll enjoy a beautifully installed door that enhances the safety and appearance of your property for years to come.